stem cell therapy is a growing arm of medical science, which carries as much controversy as it does promise. It's long been theorized that stem cells could be used to grow whole new organs, and a recent breakthrough promises the safe and effective development of therapeutic cloning technology that generates tissue and organs to treat diseases.
A new method has been developed to actually replace whole cells, which is considered a massive breakthrough in medical science. Scientists took a combination of small molecule compounds that can actually reprogram an ordinary cell into acting like a so-called pluripotent cell, one that can transform into virtually anything.
One of Professor Dung's contributions now is the suggestion that we could actually regenerate cells in the patient's body by delivering drugs, small molecules that would change one cell identity into another. This is something very futuristic, but it's been made much more possible now with Professor Dung's breakthrough research. Diseases like heart failure or Parkinson's are really in need of replacing tissue function. It's not simple as treating symptoms. We'd really like to cure disease. And one opportunity is to replace cells.
In order to test the potential of the drug, they injected the chemically treated cells into a mouse's premature embryo. CIPSC's technology has successfully birthed a number of healthy laboratory pinky in the brains. Stem cells also recently made culinary news with the world's first lab-grown beef burger, cultivated from cattle stem cells and grown in a test tube.
We take a few cells from a cow, muscle-specific stem cells that can only become muscle. There's very little that we have to do to make these cells do the right thing. They divide by themselves, and if we provide those anchor points, the future tendons, they will self-organize into muscle. So a few cells that we take from this cow can turn into 10 tons of meat.
It was cooked like any other beef patty, but there were a few differences in texture. Hanni Rutzler, a food scientist, was one of the lucky ones to take the first bite.
I was expecting the texture to be more soft. There's really a bite to it. And there is quite some flavor with the browning. It's close to meat.
So, was the idea to soon become fat astronauts drinking artificial lasagna shakes? No, there are a few viable reasons for this venture being undertaken.
Animals create a lot of methane, they create a lot of greenhouse gases, they're taking up a lot of farmland which could be used to grow vegetables and grains which would feed a lot more people. So we know that meat really is an expensive commodity on every level.
That's all green and good, except for the fact that the single burger cost 250,000 euros to make. We hope that included the bun, cheese, and tomato.